Samsung recently detailed the first security maintenance release of the new year. As expected, the gradual rollout of the January 2018 security patch has now begun. However, the company has unexpectedly released it for a low-end tablet first. Samsung has released a new security patch for mid-range smartphones first in recent months. While the perplexed some who felt that flagship handsets should be given priority, this stretches the unusual rollout pattern even further. Galaxy Tab A 2016 January 2018 security patch. Samsung is now rolling out firmware version T285DDUOAQL3 for the Galaxy Tab A 2016 model number SMT285 in Bangladesh. This particular model is the 4G Wi-Fi variant of the Galaxy Tab A 2016. The firmware update brings the January 2018 security patch even though the device continues to run on Android 5.1.1 Lollipop. The Galaxy Tab A 2016, not to be confused with the Galaxy Tab A 2016 with S Pen, was released 2 years ago. It's a low-end tablet that features a 7-inch LCD display, a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor with 1.5 GB of RAM and a 4000 mAh battery. It also features a 5-megapixel rear and 2-megapixel front camera as well as 8 GB of expandable internal storage. The latest software update for this device is now available for download from our firmware section. It goes without saying that Samsung will soon roll out the January 2018 security patch to supported handsets in the near future.